Are you preparing for NACJS? Then look at this question. This is from 2024 paper. The question says, which are the following statements is or true if 1 mole of H3POX is completely neutralized by 40 grams of NaOH? So need to choose the correct options from the given 4. So it is easy. Look at here. Use the concept of law of equivalence. We have acid, okay, oxoacid of phosphorus here and NaOH. So now you just take equivalence of NaOH will be equals to equivalence of H3POX, okay. And now what is this equivalence here? N into n factor of this acid, and that will be equals to n into n factor of this base. So now look at here, how many moles is given? So 1 mole is given us, so 1 into, we need to find its n factor, so that we are going to get this x value here, okay. And this side they given weight of NaOH is 40 grams and its molar mass is also 40 gram per mole, okay, and its n factor, number of H plus ions released, OH minus ions released are 1 per molecule of NaOH. So its n factor will be 1 here, so that you are going to get the n factor of this acid as 1 right now. So in order to understand this, just look at the structure. The oxoacid of phosphorus will be something like this. This is a mandatory fragment you can remember for an oxoacid of phosphorus. So along with this, see, we have 2 hydrogens like this. Now number of H plus ions released should be 1 because its n factor is 1 now. So that number of H plus ions released only by this 1, and these hydrogens are not acidic, okay. So this is the only acidic hydrogen that can be released, so its n factor will be 1. So now number of oxygens in this molecule is how many? So 3 hydrogens and phosphorus and 2 oxygens, okay. So what is our x value here? It is 2. X is 2 here. Just compare the given formula with this. So x value is 2 here, and you know how many H plus ions it is releasing? 1. So I can say x value is 2 and acid is monobasic acid. It means 1 H plus ion is released, so it is monobasic. And you know, read the other statements. See, this is also having x equals to 2 here, and the acid does not form an acidic salt. So it means, see, when this compound react with a base, what we are going to get here? So we are going to get something like this. Only 1 acidic hydrogen is removed, remaining hydrogens will remain as such, okay. So you are going to get something like this. This is not an acidic salt, this is a salt here, just salt, not an acidic salt, because these are not acidic hydrogen. If it is having any acidic hydrogen after forming this compound, I can say it as acidic salt, okay. Hope this is clear. First option and fourth option both are correct in this particular question. Hope this is clear, and if you are preparing for this Olympiad exams, just go through the channel so that you will get most useful content for your exam preparation. Thank you.